This video is going to show you task 1 of the March assignment, Word Online. New folder, passcode, okay, and then we need a new document in here called and paste the table into here from the assignment document. So here's a table I'm going to copy into my assignment document. You can copy a table by going to the corner of the table and clicking, and then it highlights it all. Right click on the grey area and select copy, and then we go into our exam document, right click and then paste. Okay, so I have highlighted it and changed the font style to Verdana by clicking up here and choosing Verdana, and also clicking here and choosing 12. Spelling and grammar check to correct any mistakes. Next is turn on for everyone the track change facility for the next question. Review tab. View tab and turn on our track changes for everyone. Then we have to go to the word commonly in question 4. We have to replace it by using the thesaurus or the synonyms. So we highlight the word that we're going to replace, right click on the word and choose synonyms. On the right, it then appears commonly, translation, or description, and the different words we can use to replace commonly. So I'm going to use frequently. Okay. Then I'm going to copy the word frequently by highlighting it and then pressing Ctrl+C on my keyboard, and then going back over here and highlighting the word I'm replacing and then pressing Ctrl+V, which will paste the word frequently in the place of commonly. And because we have turned on track changes, it is tracking the change we are making. So we have to prove that we can do this. So we have to use our snipping tool. If you remember, bottom corner of our screen, choose snipping tool. And then we have a new snipping tool. We press new, it grays out, and then we're going to highlight here to show, look, I have replaced the word commonly with frequently. Now, let's see what the next step is. Print, screen, or snip the section to show the word changed by the thesaurus. Okay, and then there's different options for PC, Mac, and Chromebook of how to do that. And we have to paste the screenshot or snip into a new document called print screens. Okay, so let's create a new document, file, new, blank document. And this one is going to be called class code, Julian, March assignment print screens. Okay, and then I'm going to paste my print screen that I did, showing that I can use the track changes facility and that I can use the thesaurus or synonym facility. So that's my proof of doing that. Okay, so then it says to accept the track changes, which is up here. After I've copied and pasted it, accept, and then turn it off. Now you can see it has replaced the word commonly with frequently, and it now, whatever changes we make to this, it's not going to track any longer. Name in the header on the right hand side, task on the left. And I think code and page number, insert, page numbers bottom left. Ensure paper is set to A4 and in portrait orientation before printing, and print to PDF. Put it in my folder. Okay, so we are going to make sure it is in portrait, which it is, and it is A4. Now it is, and then we're going to File, Save As, PDF, download, and go into my folder where I have put my thing, upload, files, go to my downloads, Julianne Hickey Task 1. Okay, so we have the Word document and we have the PDF document. It's the end of Task 1.